Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you how to charge your phone with the help of this Go Plus Play speaker. So let's get started. For this we need to turn around the speaker and find this little silicone part which is a protector. So we just need to open it, pull out like this, and you can see USB port right in here. So we need to take a USB cable and plug it in the speaker, just like this. And now the other end we need to connect to the phone, like this. And now just turn the power on the speaker by clicking the power button, and you will see that your phone will start charging now, just like this. So now you can enjoy your favorite music while your phone is charging. And that's all for now. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.